to you all, but we will be back after this commercial break. This should be the final commercial break of the match. So it should, of course, the JRE live fans will be still seeing the match, so they will. But, yeah, for you guys, it is commercial break, so we will be back right after this commercial break.
Slam Attacks is back, the official WWE trading card game from Topps. Featuring the biggest superstars, Roman Reigns, Bray Wyatt, Bianca Belair, and of course yours truly, the first British WWE champion, plus legends such as Hulk Hogan, The Undertaker, and many more. Look out for giant cards and limited editions, super rare and ultra rare cards, and incredible new autograph cards. Plus, find an awesome relic card featuring real gravel from the Boneyard match. Now, I've personally signed 190 cards for you to find in store. Talk less and claim more. Top Slam Attacks 2021, out now.
Jones Barbecue and Foot Massage. Jones Barbecue and Foot Massage. You better come down here, get some of this shit. You like to eat? America loves to eat. So why not open up somewhere America can sit down, enjoy a meal, and get their feet rubbed? We'll fry anything you want for $5.99. As long as it's friable or edible, we gonna make it deliciable. We will fry parts of the chicken you didn't even know was friable. The beak, the feathers, we'll fry candy bars. All that European stuff that you don't really normally eat, we'll bring it down here and fry it for you. Ask McDonald's to fry something other than what they normally fry. Guess what you're gonna get? Nothing. If it fit through the dough, I'll put it in the fryer. Hell, this is a dinosaur. All our meats are gently tenderized to their optimum deliciousness. We got fine dinosaur meats. Took my money, made me pay child support. Come on down here and get you a slice. Once they get your social security number, it's over. Motivated, 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 motivated. So friends, let's just decide you don't want no barbecue. Well, that's fine too. Why not let one of my foot specialists or myself perform our magic? Look at that, don't they look wonderful? If you really pay me enough, we'll massage your feet in any of these sauces also. Success is the rule down here at Jones. Good ass barbecue and foot massage. So go ahead and give me a call or find us on the worldwide internets at the new website. That's JONES, big ass truck rental and storage.com/Jones. Good ass barbecue and foot massage.html.
Excuse me, did you call number 52?
Did you hear me call number 52?
Christmas spectacular with Asda. From the big day to all the little days in between.